तासीर मास स्लाइम कभी खाजवाईदार खासू का थर्बी शादी कोर प्लस कस्तूरी शादी कोर्स plus diamond extra खासू खास therapy. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will explain about the disease male weakness, it causes, its symptoms and way of treatment that Taseer Dawkhana is offering for cure the disease, which name is Taseer Almas Slime Kavi Kha Jawaidar Khasu Khas Herbal Shadi course plus Kasturi Shadi course plus diamond extra Khasu Khas therapy. This course is specially made for wealthy lords and rich people's viewers. First of all, we should know about what is male weakness. Men can lose their sex drive and simple factors like tiredness, stress, depression, certain medication, antidepressant and hypertensive drugs, sex, alcohol, constipation, illicit drugs taking and low testosterone level may all play a part. Erection problems can have many causes. These include physical problems such as injury to nerves or loss of blood supply to the penis. Other health problems such as diabetes, high blood pressure, anxiety and depression. Erection problems many causes. These include physical problems such as injury to nerve or loss of blood supply to the penis, other health problems such as diabetes, high blood pressure, anxiety and depression. Cause of male weakness: when men become sexually aroused, hormones, muscles, nerves and blood vessels are work with one another to create an erection. Nerve signals sent from the brain to the penis stimulates muscles to relax. This in turn allows blood to flow to the tissue in the penis. Once the blood fills the penis and an erection is achieved, the blood vessels to the penis close off so that the erection is maintaining. Following sexual arousal, the blood vessels to the penis open up again, allowing the blood to leave. At some point in a man's life, he may have difficulty achieving or maintaining an erection. Erection problems occur when you can't achieve or maintain an erection. That's free enough to have sexual intercourse. Erection problems due to level of testosterone is low, prescription drugs, antidepressant, high blood pressure medicine, blood vessel disorders such as atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries, and high blood pressure diabetes. Stroke or nerve damage from surgery, smoking, alcoholism, drug abuse, masturbation. Masturbation refers to sexual stimulation, especially for one's own genitals and often to the point of orgasm, which is performed manually by other types of bodily contact except for sexual intercourse by use of objects or tools, or by some combination of these methods. Masturbation is the most common form of autoerotism and the two words are often used as synonyms, although masturbation with a partner, mutual masturbation is also common. Animal masturbation has been observed in many species both in the wild and captivity. Masturbation will cause erection dysfunction, penis shrinkage, penis curvature, low sperm count, physical weakness, blindness, mental illness, pornography. Representation of sexual behavior in books, pictures, statues, motion pictures and other media that is intended to cause sexual excitement. Effects: pornography significantly distorts attitudes and perception about the nature of sexual intercourse. Men who habitually look at pornography have a higher tolerance for abnormal sexual behavior. Sexual aggression, promiscuity and even rape. What is erectile dysfunction? Erectile dysfunction are defined as the persistent inability to attain and maintain penile erection sufficient for sexual intercourse. This 1992 National Institute of Health Conscious Development Conference recommends use of the term erectile dysfunction rather than impotence because it more accurately defines the problem and has fewer disparaging connotations, and estimate 10 to 20 million American men have erectile dysfunction problem. Indication: premature ejaculation that occur before or too soon after penetration. Inhibited or delayed ejaculation does not happen or takes a very long time. Retrograde ejaculation: at orgasm, the ejaculate is forced back into the bladder later than through the end of the penis. Stress, temporary depression, low self-confidence. How does male sexual function work? Sexual behavior is a complex psychological experience and there are many factors involved in healthy sexual functioning. The male sexual response being when the man becomes aroused and blood flow into the erectile tissue of the penis, causing the penis to swell and become erect. The male testes will also increase in size and become elevated, and the nipples will become erect and sensitive to touch. As excitement increases, there will be a further size of the glands and diameter of the penile shaft with continued stimulation. The man reaches a peak of sexual pleasure when there is dilation. Sexual behavior is a complex psychological experience and there are many factors of the prostatic urethra and seminal fluid sperm flow into the urethra. This is accompanied by a sensation of impending orgasm leading to a rhythmic contraction of the perineal muscles and the pelvic reproductive organ, triggering a forceful ejaculation of semen and sexual release, followed by a state of deep relaxation. Types of disease. Premature ejaculation. Premature ejaculation can be primary in men who have had the condition since puberty or secondary acquired in men who previously had control of ejaculation. It may develop in men who have erectile dysfunction, impotence, and are anxious about maintaining an erection during sexual intercourse. Premature ejaculation often causes stress for the man and for his partner. When the condition regularly occurs before penetration, it may prevent pregnancy. Nightfall. To discharge semen while asleep is called nightfall, night discharge. It is also known as nightfall. The patient in dream feels that some beautiful woman is beside him. He starts doing sexual act with her and the semen is discharged. In the beginning, he rises up immediately at the time of discharge, but slowly he is so much in the grip of the disease that he fails to know when he has discharged semen while asleep. He comes to know of it only when he gets up in the morning. Nightfall does always occur at night. Occasional night discharge are not a disease, but if it happens frequently, it is undoubtedly injurious to one's health. To avoid frequent nightfall, young men should not indulge in vulgar talks, see nude photographs, and should not read sexual literature which arouses their sexual feelings. Other types of penis problem: inflection in penis, loose penis, thin penis, bumpy penis, curvature penis, small penis, bent penis, muscular fracture in penis, weak from root ring in middle of the penis, paralyzed penis. Treatment: Tahsil Dawkhana has been established since 1946 and you can recover from all the disease by using Tahsil Almas Salim Kavi Khas Jawahidar Khasul Khas Herbal Shadi Course plus Kasturi Shadi Course plus Diamond Extra Khasul Khas Therapy by Tahsil Dawkhana, which is made with precious herbal and free from any side effect. Doctor and scientists of Institute Tahsil Dawkhana were under the supervision of Dr. and Hakim Tariq Mahmood Tahsil, qualified doctors, late doctor, pharmacist and Hakim will prolong research. Tahsil Almas Salim Kavi Khas Jawahidar Khasul Khas Herbal Shadi Course plus Kasturi Shadi Course plus Diamond Extra Khasul Khas Therapy is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. It is prepared under the medical principle and proper scientific method with up-to-date machinery. Extra benefits: Tahsil Almas Salim Kavi Khas Jawahidar Khasul Khas Herbal Shadi Course plus Kasturi Shadi Course plus Diamond Extra Khasul Khas Therapy. This course is specially made for rich and low people. It is a special and expensive course. Consist of 6 products: Tilam Mutawal Almas Salai plus Kasturi plus Diamond Extra Khasul Khas. Tilam Mutawal Almas Salai plus Kasturi plus Diamond Extra Khasul Khas is very smooth and soft because it's having water, not fat or other fat contains things. This leads to greater firmness in the penile organ. It is in the penile tissue engorgement, better lasting erections and much lesser occurrence of premature ejaculation, so effect can be seen almost immediately after the application. Increase in penile size and only minimal chances of too earlier ejaculation. Tilam Mutawal Almas Salai plus Kasturi plus Diamond Extra Khasul Khas is used by people who suffer erectile dysfunction in all forms, which can be a long-term severe problem or a more on and off unpredictable condition. To use, massage the end first, then down the full length of the penis. A sensation will occur immediately. Majoon Mukhallas Almas Salai plus Kasturi plus Diamond Extra Khasul Khas. Majoon Mukhallas Almas Salai plus Kasturi plus Diamond Extra Khasul Khas is a miraculous herbal supplement that helps in promoting spermatogenesis by its action improving the function of the testicles. Function of the testicle that include testicle, seminal vesicles and epididymis function. Majoon Mukhallas Almas Salai plus Kasturi plus Diamond Extra Khasul Khas help in improving the sperm count and is also beneficial in raising the quality of semen. It is a certified natural herbal formulation that not only improves the sperm count but also the morphology as well as sperm motility. Laboob-e-Azam Almas Salai plus Kasturi plus Diamond Extra Khasul Khas. Laboob-e-Azam Almas Salai plus Kasturi plus Diamond Extra Khasul Khas helps maintain the health and function of entire physiology. It increases longevity, memory and intelligence, enhance immunity, elevates energy level, decrease the effect of aging and enhance overall well-being. Laboob-e-Azam Almas Salai plus Kasturi plus Diamond Extra Khasul Khas is effective in strengthening the heart and liver muscles, enhance nutrition, controlling blood pressure, maintaining the normal pulse rate and other heart disease. It helps to maintain the balance between supply and demand of myocardial oxygen. Safuf Almas Salai plus Kasturi plus Diamond Extra Khasul Khas increase your low sperm count and semen volume. As you have already noticed, sperm enhancement is a brand new idea from the impotence and erectile dysfunction during industry, as well as it is used for increasing sperm production. It is beneficial for sperm quantity and quality and sperm morphology. If you suffer from low sperm count, now Safuf Almas Talai plus Kasturi plus Diamond Extra Khasul Khas will raise sperm count. The natural ingredients in it are well selected in order to improve sperm count as well as power of your sexual life, give you rock hard erection duration, and make you a real champion in bed. It is 100% natural herbal and has no known side effects. Hamira Almas Light plus Kasturi plus Diamond Extra Khasul Khas. Its stimulative function for all major organs of the body and gives a feeling of well-being. It can strengthen the activity of brain cells, inhibit their premature aging, and promote the return of the cerebral function to normal. An effective herbal tonic for senile debility and quick recovery after prolonged it is formulated by the collection of the ingredients beneficial for heart and brain, which serves as a nervine and cardiac tonic. Habil Mass Light plus Kasturi plus Diamond Extra Khasul Khas. It gives you much harder erection, more stamina, increase in size, more pleasure, more powerful erection, completely cures with your premature ejaculation, naturally boosts your sexual desire, a sex life you have always dreamed. Habil Mass Light plus Kasturi plus Diamond Extra Khasul Khas enhance your sexual pleasure. It really boosts your sexual desire, strengthens sexual performance and energy. We have developed a safe and unique herbal formula and makes your sexual energy explode, reduce erectile dysfunction. We develop Habil Mass Light plus Kasturi plus Diamond Extra Khasul Khas, all from natural plants, seeds, berries, root, leaves, bark, and flowers, extracting from all natural herbs. Science of unlimited sexual power. Work within 30 to 45 minutes and enjoy whole night. Its unique formulation contains safe natural ingredients which are known to increase sexual desire, sexual stamina, and self-confidence by increasing peripheral blood flow. Because the ingredients in Taseer Almas Talai, Kavi Khas, Jawaidar Khasul Khas Herbal Shadikot plus Kasturi Shadikot plus Diamond Extra Khasul Khas Therapy, highest quality and verified of purity, their potency is much more effective, stable, predictable, and efficient. As it is multi-purpose course, so it also boosts the sexual power of the person and improves physical health precautions. After researching various natural herbs in the light of the essence of ancient and modern medical research and his long medical observation, discovered the safe and effective method of effective Taseer Almas Talai, Kavi Khas, Jawaidar Khasul Khas Herbal Shadikot plus Kasturi Shadikot plus Diamond Extra Khasul Khas Therapy, and complete cure from restoration of mental and physical strength. Rely on natural remedies because that's the only cure which does not have any side effect. Avoid hot items and drugs altogether. Light exercise and walking are helpful. Avoid pornography ideas, pornographic literature and movies. Avoid fast food. Avoid all spicy foods and cold drink. Use pumpkin, carrot, mutton, milk, yogurt, fresh fruits, honey, dates, and fish. So viewers, if your known person has male weakness problem, then come to Taseer Dawakhana and use Taseer Almas Talai, Kavi Khasul Khas, Jawaidar Khasul Khas Herbal Shadikot plus Kasturi Shadikot plus Diamond Extra Khasul Khas Therapy, which will cure all infertility, disease, and male weakness problems. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video, in which we will discuss new disease topics and treatment. So, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.